Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install SSD. Firstly, remove the battery and unscrew the back panel where the storage is located. Remove the old HDD and insert the SSD into the same slot. Just close the panel, insert the battery, and power on the laptop. If you install the SSD as the main drive, install Windows from a bootable USB. If using the SSD for extra storage, format it in Disk Management. If installing Windows, boot from a USB installer and install the OS and enable HAHCI mode in BIOS for best SSD performance. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.